I walked into a local hardware store and got this Ppr welding machine. Okay, and it has a nice, packaging to it, and these clips. Basically, these clips were just opening. So it's going to be my first experience with this kind of machine. Of course, it has the user manual. Welding machine for plastic pipe. Specifications: heating time, melting depth, cooling time. Specifications in millimeters. So, how many millimeters is half an inch? How many millimeters is half an inch? Let us check. So we're going to check here. Half an inch, that will be 14. That will be how many? Half an inch, that is 10 centimeters, that is 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters is 140 millimeters. I don't know if this is. I don't know if these things are correct. Huh? But then power 800 watts plus or minus 10, voltage 220. Nothing much there. So we'll just test it since I have a lot of plastic to try. Okay, I know this is something for stepping on. Fantastic paintwork, very good. Okay, these are the attachments in terms of millimeters, and of course this is the power cable, and this is the main unit. Now, from where I have bought this thing from, I found somebody who has said that he has used the same brand, bought from the same shop, and he has actually used it on a 6-story building, 2 of them. So I know I have a durable machine. And these are the attachments. Okay, so without further ado, I have my extension socket there. This is what I was using. I'm going to use this same damn pipe. This same pipe that has almost brought a shame to my work. And I'm one person who never says die. I'm one person who will not want to sleep on an undone project. I'm one person who I will say my conscience does not allow me. Huh? Look at this color. Huh? 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 Okay. So, good. I think this is, what does it look like? Does it look like this is the half inch? This one looks like it's the one for the half inch. This one here, right here. Yeah, exactly. Yes, it was like this. So this one, this is 25 millimeter. This is for the inside. No. This one is for the outside. No. This is big. Return it. And put it back. Take the smaller one out. At least the smallest of the bunch. should be for the inside. Let us see. Perfect. And this one is for the outside. There you go. Perfect. So how do we fix it on the machine? Remove the bubble wrap. Good, that is enough. Good. So I need to secure one there. These are 3 holes. Secure one that side and secure the other on the other side. Because this machine ideally is supposed to stay like this. Put this one here. So I'm supposed to step on this. As it looks like that. This is the base where I'm going to step on it. Put one pipe here, the other pipe here, weld them, then bring them together, then remove them, bring them together. So this one needs to be this side and this one needs to be on the other side. Okay, so that way and this way. And what is going to join these two? These ones right here. With the Allen key. This thing needs to have a screw. Or what am I saying? There are no threads on the inside. This thing needs to have a screw for securing it. Oh, good. It's threaded. This one is threaded. And this one is through. Good. So get this Allen bolt out. This Allen screw or whatever. Come on. I'm just here removing it with my teeth. Come out. You know, like an exorcism. Come out. There we go. Yep. Allen and the key. So I start with this one. Like that. Then here. Yes, like that. Then here. Then from the other side. Screw this one there. Are we making any progress? Yes, we are! And it's tight! There you go! In the Allen. Then apply some pressure. Further. Tight it further. Tight it further. Come on. Tight it further. Yes. Good. Take the machine. Let us uncord this one. Faster. Oh, I was just going in the same direction for tying. Faster, faster. Good. This table is too damn good for this work. So I'm going to use this stool. Okay? There we go. Fantastic. Oh, look at this. Oh no. So I'm going to plug it to the power, give it time to warm, and make the first joint. Make the first joint. Hoo la la la.